Part two, sex energy transfer. So, with that being said, you really have to be careful about who you have sex with because these, what to appear to be people, are literally put here on this earth for the demise of humanity and earth angels. You ever have a person that you ever come in contact with, or you hear people have spirit of discernment? You have earth angels, um, light workers, spirit workers who are able to sense these demons. So you ever feel a person and you're just kind of like, nah, I'm gonna stay away from that. I'm good on that. That's because they have built-in bullshit detectors. You have some light workers like me, I can admit this, who right away see the love, or this person is a good person, and can be fooled a lot of times. So it takes us having people who have that serious spirit of discernment around us to say, I know you want to love and help and heal. You can't heal that. It was never meant to be healed in the first place. It doesn't know what love is. It doesn't care what love is. It is literally built to hate and to tear down the human soul. So before you go over there to that broken glass and start cutting yourself up because you're trying to hug it, you're trying to heal it, you're trying to make it feel love, understand there are some vessels that don't operate like that out of human emotions. All they know is hate because that's what they're bred from. That's what they're meant to do. They're meant to influence and distract the collective. So you ever meet that person? Prime example, serial killers, Jeffrey Dahmer, those people, that they're people, but that's a demonic presence driving that vessel. There is no reform. There is no getting them better. That's not what's going to happen. It's never going to happen because that's not what they're engineered to do. So I say all this to say, watch who you have sex with. Because especially when you're out there having multiple sex partners and unprotected sex on top of that, you're taking in all of that negativity into your vessel. So you're not only fighting your own feelings, you're fighting their bullshit too. Stay woke.